So scary, isn't it? Hauling out. And there she is. Quick look round, it all looks pretty good with one exception, which is I'm a bit confused by, to be honest with you, but there's a crack in the, I think in the fiberglass. I'm gonna have to grind that off. I suppose the rudder's swollen up. Some water's got in there somehow. Strange. The anti-fouling's worked well. It's just this little bit of slime on it. Nothing much. A couple of barnacles here and there, but not much. A trailing edge. Yeah, that's the only weird thing. I'm gonna have to grind in there, re-glass that, let it dry. Otherwise, we're looking pretty good, I'd say. Nearly finished sanding. Going to get the sanding done today. Looking pretty good. I'm going to raise the water line up to here or so. So I've sanded all the way around there. Looks like I need to go a little bit higher this side. Looking pretty good. I'm pleased. A little bit more sanding, nearly there. So it's the morning of day 2. I've been up for an hour or so, but at the end of day 1, basically got everything below the waterline sanded. I got the rudder inspected and ground back where need be. I've inspected everything else and dug into anything that there might be, which isn't much. There's a couple of places where the stands were at the last marina when I hauled out that needed a bit more sanding, but she's looking really good indeed. So that's great. And now I'm just putting the masking tape on the waterline. Raising it up again. So there's one side done. I think I'm raising it generously this time, so it's looking good. Should be right this time. Might even be as bold as a boot stripe. Maybe I'll leave that for next time. Just to be sure. It's not important, is it? It's just a bit of pretty. But I'm going to get this waterline masked. I'm going to get a bit of vinyl primer on there. So that looks a lot better. It wasn't much. Get that glassed over, be good. When it came to glassing the front edge of the rudder, I cut 6 strips of glass cloth, each one progressively narrower than the first. So the first one was 8 centimetres wide, next 7 centimetres and so on. And when I came to put them on, I applied them in reverse order, so narrowest first and finishing with the widest one.
Where'd you get the plastic top?
Just like that. Oh yeah, that's handy.
You ground away those drippy bits.
Yeah, that's done. This will set off in no time because the sun's just coming on it.
Right, yeah. This is the front of the rudder. I've just sanded it, given it one coat of VC tar so far. This the VC tar 2, I really like it. It's where I put it on the keel, it's held up so well, so I think I'm going to be using that more. Very good stuff. Well, it's pretty much the end of day 3 and I'm sat in the shady spot. It gets pretty warm here in the afternoons and there's no shade whatsoever, very little shade. The shade is from the boat, there's no other shade.
So it gets you sweating a bit, but getting on really well. Ready for anti-foul, I believe. I think I'm just going to wait though, not do it today. I could do it today, but I think there's 1 or 2 bits that I've just touched up that are still a bit wet. I think I'm going to let them dry properly so I can have a look tomorrow, check everything's well, anti-foul it tomorrow, getting the masking tape off, and then I'm going to go around, polish the blue, or wipe off the blue at the very least, clean the blue and see what needs touching up paint wise there, and that'll be about it really. So it's gone really well, and because it's the weekend coming up, the travel lift doesn't operate at the weekend, so it gives me Saturday, Sunday, today's Friday, Saturday, Sunday, just for any finishing off little bits and bobs, which I can't think of any. I say I can polish up the blue, have a clean around, and then hopefully launch Monday. I'll go into the office, maybe I'll go in tomorrow and book the launch for tomorrow, for Monday. But yeah, it's gone well. The anti-foul is, all the prep is the hard work, isn't it? The anti-foul is the bit that makes it look good, but it's the easy bit really, and we're there. Mast on here and touch up all the blue. Right, final job here. Pretty sharp though, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So it's the end of day 4. Today I've had an easy day actually. Just got up early in the morning and painted the anti-foul. And there she is, looking great. Tomorrow morning, going to get up early and just do these around the blue. A couple of little bits of blue missing here and there. And that's us just about ready. It's really good. Launch is booked for Monday morning. Looking forward to it. Well, that is it for this week. Now, you'll remember, of course, that one of my main reasons for the haul out was that I had an issue with the sail drive. I had some water getting into the sail drive and needed to replace the seals and bearings on the output shaft. And I've saved all of that for next week. Suffice to say that I managed to do it. It turned out well. And I did it also without any sort of special tools. So next week, that will be certainly a major part of next week's video, changing oil seals and bearings on a Volvo Penta S120 sail drive with no specialist equipment whatsoever. I say, it turned out well. Anyhow, that's it. As I say, launch coming up, of course. thank you for watching. As ever, a massive thank you to everybody who supports us via Patreon and PayPal, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.